Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain about the new topic, and the topic is bending. First of all, I will introduce the topic. After that, we will talk about different stages of bending. Then, different terms used in bending. Next, bending stress. Then, minimum radius. And lastly, about blank development. Bending is a metal forming process, and most importantly, bending always happens on fixed axis. In this figure, you can see the axis is an imaginary straight line which shows how the surface is being bent vertically, horizontally, or longitudinally. Now, bend radius, which measured inside, and bend line, reference point to create bend geometry. We can say material is bent on the other side of the bend line. Okay, here you can see. Now we will talk about different stages of bending. First stage is gripping, where sheet is gripped between the punch and the die. Here you can see the sheet is properly resting and gripped by the pressure of the punch. Here you can see the figure. Then rocking. Here you can see in this stage, sheet metal starts swinging about the bend edge. Okay. Next operation is pulling. Here you can see the blank is pulled inside the die to get the desired shape. Okay. And last, bottoming. Here you can see in the figure the sheet is sandwiched between the punch and die and finally gets the required shape. Now, the different terms used in bending are, here you can see in the figure, bend radius. Bend radius tangent to the inner plane surface. Okay. Next, bend line tangent to the bend radius. Next, bend axis center of bend radius. Bend angle through which sheet is bent. Next, bend allowance. Here you can see portion of the metal which takes curve shape. Okay. Bend leg. The portion of the sheet does not bend and remains straight. Natural axis. An imaginary axis which does not change its length during the bending process. Okay. Here you can see. Now we will talk about bending stress. Here you can see in the figure how bending stress can be developed during operation. Here you can see, due to punch pressure, number 1, material gets bulged out at inner side due to compression, okay, and material gets thinned outside due to tension. Okay, here you can see in the figure. Now, minimum radius. Minimum radius depends upon direction of grains. Okay, so across grains is more suitable than along the grain direction. Generally, the direction of grains is parallel to the longer side of the full uncut sheet. Okay. Here you can see in the figure how rolling direction affects if axis of bending is perpendicular to the bend direction. Then sheet can bend to lesser radius without crack. Here you can see in the figure. Minimum radius can also depend upon blank's material and hardness of blank. Here in the table you can see the minimum radius for various materials, where T is considered as thickness of sheet. Here you can see the material aluminium, brass, copper and steel. Now, blank development. First of all, we have to develop a clear geometry of the component which is required to bend. Okay, where we have to identify the bend leg and bend allowance. Now, to calculate bend allowance, we have formula L is equal to pi by 180 into theta into r plus kt, where L is development length which is required, theta angle of bend, r inside radius and t sheet thickness. K is constant. K is taken 0.5 if r is equal or greater than 2t and K taken 0.33 if r is lesser than 2t. Okay. So developed length is equal to bend legs plus bend allowance. Okay. I hope all of you have understood the topic. Please go through the books so you get more information about bending. Thank you.